My family has been on this health conscious journey for a while now. We started with what we were eating, reading labels, learning more, and becoming intentional. And that path eventually led us to going vegan. We wanted better health, better habits, and more natural choices. But once you change what goes into your body, you start thinking about what goes on your body too. Skin care, body care, eventually oil care. Because if we're brushing twice a day, every day, those ingredients matter a lot. So we started making our own body care products, mostly because so many store-bought ones are packed with synthetic fillers, harsh preservatives, and ingredients that don't actually support your long-term health. And honestly, after trying way too many toothpastes that didn't help our breath, enamel, plaque, or sensitivity, I finally broke down and made my own. And let's be honest, a lot of toothpaste brands talk like they're superheroes. Big claims, fancy boxes, ingredients you need Google to translate, and then you brush. And it's just foam, pretty bubbles, minimal benefits, and sometimes stuff you probably wouldn't want in your body every single day. For instance, xylitol. It's marketed like it's some miracle cavity-fighting sweetener. And sure, it will help reduce certain bacteria, but for a lot of people, it also causes digestive issues. Also, in a recent NIH study, found that higher blood levels of xylitol were associated with increased risk of cardiovascular events, things like heart attacks and strokes. And that's not even counting that it doesn't help enamel or gum health or even breath freshness. And then there's zinc citrate, the fresh breath ingredient. Sounds harmless, right? But high amounts of zinc can interfere with mineral balance, lower your HDL, that's your good cholesterol, and put stress on your kidneys and liver. And if you already deal with high blood pressure, that could be a real problem. And keep in mind that even if your toothpaste only contains a little bits add up when you use it twice a day for years. That's why I created our own all-natural plant-based toothpaste. Something real, simple, and effective. No gimmicks, no questionable fillers, just ingredients that actually do what your mouth needs. We call it the Green Goblin, partly because of the color, and partly because of what it does to tartar and bad breath. And honestly, my family has been using it for over a year now, and our teeth and breath have never felt cleaner. Everything starts with our cleaning trio: bentonite clay, baking soda, and coconut oil. Think of them as the gentle cleanup crew for your mouth. Clay lifts buildup and plaque, baking soda removes surface stains and balances pH, and coconut oil softens debris so it glides right off. Natural whitening, real polishing, no bleaching. Then you add your enamel's best friend, hydroxyapatite and calcium carbonate. Hydroxyapatite is literally the same mineral your enamel is made of, so your teeth use it like a repair kit. Calcium carbonate gently polishes and reinforces your enamel. Together, they support remineralization, reduce sensitivity, and help protect against cavities. For your gums, we use plantain extract, clove oil, olive oil, and coconut oil. Plantain, working with clove, soothes irritation. Clove helps fight bacteria and discomfort, and the oils keep your gums moisturized and balanced. If your gums get puffy and tender easily, this blend is like a daily reset. And for your breath, we rely on wintergreen or spearmint, tea tree, and clove essential oils. These don't just mask odors, they fight the bad bacteria that cause them. When all these ingredients come together, you get a brighter smile, polished teeth, natural stain reduction, stronger enamel, removal of plaque buildup, fresher breath, calmer, healthier gums, help against gingivitis, reduce sensitivity, and long-term oral health support. It's like a full mouth upgrade naturally. So, if your toothpaste is giving you more foam than benefits, maybe it's time to try something that actually cares for your enamel, your gums, and your breath. And the best part, when you choose Pure Smile Natural Toothpaste, you're not just improving your oral health, you're supporting a small family business that truly cares about every single jar. Brush smarter, smile brighter, choose natural that actually works. And thank you for supporting a business that values your health as much as you do. You can come grab yours right here on our website.